Old girl is temporarily decommissioned right now, fellas. Oh man. What's going on, everybody? I hope you guys are having a good day today. It's Saturday. Bringing you guys content, okay? Hey, check it out. I had to make this video today because of multiple things are going on the channel right now. It's I know I haven't been keeping you guys up to date, but we got a lot of stuff going on. A lot of I'm trying to get some good lighting. There we go. We got a lot of good unboxings and parts to install in the truck. And one of the biggest things I gotta say right now is thank you guys so much for 9,000 followers, 9,000 subscribers we hit today on the channel. I don't even know what today's date is, but I'm grateful for it. Thank you guys so much. I'm truly appreciative. You guys are awesome. For all the new subscribers, welcome to the channel Everything Diesel, where we do everything that involves a diesel. At least we try to. It means a lot to me though. I really appreciate it. As you guys can tell right now, it's freaking really muggy. It's humid as shit right now. I mean, I don't know how else to say it. I can't even go outside and check my mail and go inside without sweating, man. It's bad right now. So it's super muggy. It's like raining right now. The conditions, you probably can't tell from there, but it's raining right now. But we got issues with the truck, okay? The Cummins. I had to erase the DTC codes because we had some codes pop up. Once again, we have the infamous lighting, the little red lightning bolt. A lot of y'all know what I'm talking about. It's really common on these third gens, especially the older they get, when wires start to get old, brittle, frail, corroded. It's very common on these trucks. I wanted to make a really in-depth video about this when it first happened, but I ended up not. But I'm doing it today. If weather allows me to, I have new parts that I'm going to put on the truck. That way we can get that fixed. Right now, what we're going to do is we are going to, well, first of all, let me tell you what's going on. Okay, so check it out. With the truck, the alternator is not charging the battery. All right. Now, any other normal vehicle, you would be like, oh, battery's not getting charged, bad alternator, bad battery. Simple, right? Not as simple on these trucks. Okay, so what's incorporated on these trucks is called a canvas style electrical system, to keep it simple. Long story short, to prevent damage to the ECM, the TCM, computers, etc., the computer itself, when it starts to notice a low voltage or a high voltage situation, will put the charging system kind of like into a limp mode, which means it will not let the alternator continue to charge the battery. Why? Because there's a chance you can tear up your battery, you can tear up an alternator. So what it does is it puts it into a limp mode. Now what happens is you can drive the truck, but you're not going to get a whole lot of electricity. You're probably going to be driving with about 11 to 10 volts. And what happens is over time your battery's going to get weaker until you're not able to start the truck no more. So this is definitely something that a lot of people see. For those of you that follow me on my Instagram, you know already what I'm talking about because you saw my Instagram picture when I first put it on my story. When I first put it up showing here we go again, because we had this issue back in January, December. Back then I changed out 2 battery terminals, just the terminals. I cut them off, put new ones on it, fixed the problem. It was sweet. Problem's back again. Got a good feeling. Why? Because if you guys notice, I said I only changed out 2. 2 of them were bad back then, but I looked at the other 2 and I was like, I let it ride. Well, guess what? I let it ride, and 7-8 months later, here we are making this video. But it's all good because it makes more content for the channel, and it gives me a reason to be able to talk and just yap about whatever. Okay. So also, I'm gonna say it again. Thank you guys so much for 9,000 subscribers. Now, while we are waiting for better weather, I'm going to show you guys the game plan, okay? So we went ahead, if I can get some good lighting, there we go. So we went ahead, popped the hood, got all this water dripping. This is wet and it's freaking humid out here. It's like damn jungle right now. Okay, so if you can see here, I already changed out one of my terminals way back. Okay, I changed out and put that one in. It works fine. It's nice and tight. This one is going to be the culprit. Now here's why. Okay, now you put your comments down below, make fun of me, go ahead, whatever, I don't care. But this is how you know that it's probably that your terminals are the issue. Did you just see that? Let me do it again if you weren't, get this out the way. Let me do that again if you weren't paying attention. So it's on, nice and it's on, it's off. That's it. Okay, so I knew that this was going to come, and the other side is no better. The negative side on this side is it's pretty bad. So it's on, now it's off. So we have two in the house. I got two brand new terminals. We're gonna cut these wires off, put the new wires on. It's gonna kind of suck doing this power wire because this power wire gauge is it is fat. So I might end up having to come up with something. I don't know. We'll figure it out though. Okay, so new things for the channel, new things for the truck. Turbo coming out, intake manifold coming out. We have a lovely package that came in on Monday from my boy Mac over at MDC Diesel, because you guys know for all my turbo work, I go through Mac at MDC Diesel. Okay, if it'll ever focus. Whatever. Anyways, this is from MDC Diesel. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up right now, and we're gonna show you guys what's inside of it. Okay. So what we have here, we got a badass MDC Diesel T-shirt in my size XL. Okay. Put that right there for now. Mac hooked it up with some more stickers, so we got more stickers. All right. Oh man. Oh, I might need 2 hands for this one. Yep, I'm gonna need 2 hands. 1 second. Okay, you guys. So we have another turbo. Now, I want you guys, hear me out. Listen, comment down below. Tell me what we're doing with this turbo. Are we doing twin turbos? Are we setting up swapping out turbo? Let me know. Comment down below what you think we're doing. Okay. So what we got right here is a Smedden diesel. Okay. S464 cast. It's just a cast wheel. It's not a forged wheel, but it is a 464 with a 1.0 AR. Actually, I honestly don't know what the exhaust housing is. I want to say 87, but I don't know for 100%. I actually got to ask Mac that. Mac, if you're watching this, hit me up, dude. Let me know what size it is, because I actually don't know. Okay, so we have another turbo for this truck. Now, whether we're going to do twin setups or we're going to do swaps out for 6.7. If you didn't know, currently I have a S467 in the Cummins with the now that does have the wheel on it, the forged mill wheel. Okay, so it does have that on it. Here's just a cast alloy wheel, but it's still gonna spin really good. One of the big things about this turbo and what Smedden is trying to push is that no longer will you have to have another piece to get your 90 degree. Okay, it's built into the compressor housing. So back in the day, or if you get a Borg-Warner turbo, you got to have an elbow, which means more connection pieces means a higher chance of having a boost leak or losing boost. But with Smedden, they do a really good job at giving you a 90 degree smooth elbow, and it's clean on the inside. It's clean, man. It's not all chewed up, and it's really smooth. I mean, it might be hard to see on the camera, but it's good. We're going to be doing a full unboxing on this, talking more about that down the road, so you definitely want to make sure you're subscribed and be on the lookout for that. Okay, we actually got a little bit of time to do this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this battery, disconnect the negative terminal. I'm going to go ahead and put the battery on the charger, because this battery needs to charge, because right now there ain't no juice in it. So we got to get this battery charged up, and these batteries aren't that old. I bought them back in, it says March of 2017, so they ain't even 3 years old yet. But they do good. The red tops are good batteries. I don't have any problems with them. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that side, get the battery charger set up so battery can start charging, and then we are going to go ahead and, can y'all see me? Nope, you cannot. It's super hot out here. Look at my shirt, my God. Go ahead, get the thing set up, and then we will get back. I'll get back with y'all, show y'all what we're doing, okay? All right, you guys, so a little time went by, show y'all what we did. And it's raining right now, so I'm gonna be quick because I don't want my camera to get wet. Long story short, right here, swapped out. I went ahead and swapped out the old terminal with some new style ones from Advanced Auto Parts. This side's already installed and set up, as you can see. And I put a little battery protective coating on it. Battery charger is charging at 12 volts. So what's gonna happen now, actually let me close this down a little bit. I don't want the camera to get wet. Nice. Okay, so while it's raining, doing all this stuff, battery's charging. It's at about 12.1 volts, which it probably could start right now, but I usually try to get it up to 13. You know, so the way it works is whenever you're testing the battery, when the battery is not connected, it should read 12 volts, and once you connect it to a vehicle running, it should read about 14 volts. So I could technically start it right now, but I like for it to get a full cycle, let the battery charger tender thingy do its thing, do its job. So I already showed you guys the turbo, all right, S464 from Smedden Diesel, yours truly. And over here, excuse the mess. So if you guys didn't know, I recently moved about 2 months ago, and this is not the garage. If you go back to my old videos, this is not the same garage that I used to be in. This is a different garage, but I'm going to slowly actually start just organizing it. My ultimate goal is to get this entire area cleared out here, so that way if the truck can't fit in here for damn sure, but if I want to bring the Impala in here, do an oil change or something, it has more than enough room in here. It's just so much clutter and crap in here right now. Once I get it organized too, I'm going to do a full tour of my garage, because you know, I got a lot of stuff. You guys know I'm trying to get a little detailing business going on the side, so I got a lot. I got you some more of this stuff. I got a lot of car wash products, but one thing I want to mention, every video has this. My main man Adrian from AMSOIL so went ahead and sent me out some 5W30 synthetic heavy duty diesel oil. Okay, this is good stuff right here. For those of you who have not been following the channel, who are new to the channel, okay, long story short, let me cut it like this. Okay, you need to put good stuff in your truck, especially if you're a brand new diesel owner. If you're a brand new diesel owner and you just got into this industry of you know, owning a diesel truck and how to maintain it, put the best stuff you can put in your truck for your truck, if that makes sense. Okay, what this is right here is 100% fully synthetic. This is not just regular oil with a little bit of additives in it. This is 100% synthetic motor oil. Okay, and I've been running AMSOIL for the last year and a half. It's good stuff. Currently I'm running the marine diesel synthetic oil from AMSOIL, which is double the intervals. It's double the intervals, and it's really good for pre-2007 diesels, which mean no emissions, or if somehow your emissions came off your truck, it's really good for those vehicles because of the I think it's like ash content, or like the soot proofing. It's some along the line like that, but there's a full catalog about it. One day, one second, the lighting's bad. Where am I? There I am. One day, if you guys care, we could talk about it, if you guys really want to know more about AMSOIL and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait a little bit and go ahead and let that battery charge, probably give it pretty much until the rain stops. Once the rain stops, I'll go ahead, come back out, we'll connect the battery, start her up, let her idle. You guys can hear her idle. If we don't get any check engine lights or any lights at all, we know that those two battery terminals caused the issue. Speaking of battery terminals, I was supposed to bring them in and separate them so you can see them. One second, let me grab them real quick so I can show you what they look like. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and grabbed the terminals. Looking at them on the camera, you might be like, well, Cam, what's wrong with them? They're not like corroded or nothing. You know they're not, but if you were to look at them when they were on the battery, which I showed y'all, it didn't even bite down. Like, it would not stay, it would not clamp to the battery. You know what I'm saying? So that definitely was an issue. Both of them were like this. I had some previously before that were just like this as well. The other two I changed back in the beginning of the year were in the same boat. You know, I just went to Advanced Auto, picked up some you know, positive negative terminal, and I cut the wire. I just cut them, you know, and put them on the new one. Is it 100%, you know, I don't know what's the word in dog. Is it 100% match up, or is it meant for it? No, of course not. But it's going to do the job just like the other ones do. Biggest thing is it's going to have that tight grip on the terminal post on the battery, which is what you want. You know, hit it with some battery. Where's it at? Hit it with some of this stuff. before you you know, put everything together. This stuff right here is awesome. I never worry about battery acid. All I do, I pop my hood. Every time I pop my hood, there's never like white powder buildup, battery acid buildup, corrosion. This stuff's really good. This stuff is good on your alternator components too. Any electrical components, honestly. Terminal posts, you know, circuit boards, anything that involves preventing corrosion on wiring. That's what you want right there. If you really cared that much about what the part number was for the terminals, they were let's see, AC 175, and then I went ahead and bought those little, you know, little green and red little furry things that I personally don't think they do anything, but we'll see. All right, so we got those. This is all old stuff. We're really just waiting for the rain now. This is my second shower I took today because this morning I detailed the interior of a car. So I took a shower after that, and now this is not the color of the shirt. It's wet. So it's wet now. So I'm gonna take another shower, but I'm not gonna take another shower until I'll change my shirt. But I'm not gonna take another shower until it stops raining and we crank the truck up, because I'm not done filming yet. So pretty much get back with y'all in a little bit. If it keeps raining like this, then we'll go ahead and end the video out, and I'll come back, end it out, and then, you know, we'll go from there. Well, trying waiting it out for a little bit, but I don't want this video going on forever. I actually want to get this video chopped up and put up tonight for you guys, so you guys can watch it tonight. So guess what? Good news. We're gonna make this a two-part video. So what that means is this is part one. You guys gotta stick out and be here tomorrow. So subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification. We'll turn this into a two-part video, and then tomorrow you guys will hear my y'all will hear my I can't think of it, my results. There we go. I had a brain fart. Y'all will hear my results, okay? So let's see. What to do tomorrow. So tomorrow I have fog lights, LED fog lights from a company called Last Fit, who actually my headlights are from them, like the bulbs are from them. I run them from Last Fit. I'm thinking about putting those on tomorrow, making a review video for them, because they were kind enough to send me out some. Let me grab a box real quick. Sorry if it gets dark. Just in the garage. I gotta change my light bulb. It blew out. Last Fit was kind enough to send me some LED light bulbs, so we can make a video on that tomorrow, along with the part 2 summary of fixing the charging issue with the Cummins. Okay, so we're gonna do that. I like the way that sounds. If you guys like that, comment down below with a thumbs up saying I agree or whatever. If not, comment down below what you would like to see. Either way, I still want to hear from you. You guys are awesome. I love all of you. Thank you guys so much for 9,000 subscribers. It's ridiculous right now. I honestly am blessed, and I'm grateful for y'all, every single one of y'all. Okay, so the content's definitely is coming. It's gonna be coming out a little steadier now. You know, we gotta get the garage organized, and then we're just gonna start doing stuff. Okay, so until tomorrow, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the bell notification. The reason why is because YouTube is kind of shitty, and they don't want to let people know when the people they're subscribed to are putting videos up. So let's just hit that notification, hit that bell button. That way you know at least you're trying to do everything possible to get informed when your YouTubers upload videos. You know what I'm saying? So until tomorrow, I'll see y'all. Take it easy, be safe. Peace out.